How to send gift card on Cash App. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the procedure to send gift card on Cash App. To send a digital gift card on Cash App, you first need to open the Cash App application on your mobile device. Then tap the Pay button on the main home screen. So this is the Pay button or the Pay button right over here. As you click on it, next you have to go ahead and select the gift card option. Look for it and tap on the gift card options in the list and choose a dollar amount you want to send and select the desired vendor from the available list. After which, input the recipient details to the field, enter the recipient cash tag, phone number and email address, all that. You could also add a personal message in the bar. Confirm gift card, press the next button, then change the send as an option from a cash to a gift card and verify the details and tap send gift card to complete the transactions. And that is how you could send gift card on Cash App. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.